Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your team logo in EA Sports FC Mobile. If you are looking to personalize your club's appearance in FC Mobile, then changing the team badge or logo is a quick and fun way to do it. First of all, launch open FC Mobile game and log into your account if necessary. From the main menu, go ahead and find the club option, which is located on the right hand corner right in front of play button. Tap on it and you will then end up in your club page. From your club page, click on locker room. From the locker room, go to the left hand side menu and click on customization, where you will be able to see your club logo and your name. Right where you see the customization option, you will see user logo option, where you can change your team's logo. Go to the right hand side and select your logo you want to change for your team. And finally, click on confirm at the bottom right corner to change your logo for your team immediately. If you ever want to change it again, simply repeat the process. Go to this customization tab and select a logo or a badge. Pick a new one and click on confirm, and that is how you can easily change your team logo in FC Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.